Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Restore Moisturizer is probably one of the most sought-after skincare products on the market right now, and for good reason. This luxurious cream promises to deeply hydrate and nourish your skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and revitalized. Whether you're dealing with dryness, fine lines, or just want to give your complexion a healthy glow, this moisturizer might just be the answer you've been searching for. We're diving deep into its ingredients, texture, and overall effectiveness to see if it lives up to the hype and truly delivers on its promise of restoring your skin's natural radiance and vitality. Number 5. MAREE Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? Our deep conditioning mask is here to help restore its natural vitality. Enriched with keratin, this formula works to repair and strengthen each strand. Experience healthier looking hair with every use. Say goodbye to dryness. This mask provides intense hydration, leaving your hair feeling soft and moisturized. Support your hair's natural growth cycle. It nourishes the scalp and strands for a fuller, healthier appearance. Whether your hair is curly, dry, or color-treated, this mask is designed to refresh and revitalize. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine. Our formula is gentle yet effective, providing the care your hair deserves. Enjoy a luxurious treatment that transforms your locks. What we like. This mask deeply conditions and repairs damaged hair with keratin. It's perfect for those with dry, curly, or color-treated hair seeking intense hydration and restoration. If you want to revitalize brittle strands and achieve a healthier look, this is your go-to. What people say. This moisturizer is incredibly hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. It absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, which is perfect for my combination skin. I love that it contains hyaluronic acid and ceramides, which are great for skin barrier support. Number 4. MARLOWE Facial Moisturizer for Men, 6 ounces. Introducing MARLOWE Facial Moisturizer for Men. It's designed to keep your skin looking its best every day. This lightweight lotion absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. Enjoy a comfortable feel all day long. It effectively hydrates your skin, leaving it feeling smooth and soft. Achieve a more refined complexion with regular use. Experience a refreshing sensation that revitalizes your skin. It helps maintain a healthy, natural appearance. Our 6-ounce bottle ensures you have plenty of this essential moisturizer. It's a great value for your daily skincare routine. What we like. This daily facial moisturizer offers a non-greasy, lightweight feel that hydrates and smooths skin. It's ideal for men looking for a quick-absorbing lotion that leaves their skin feeling refreshed without any residue. If you prefer a no-fuss routine and a healthy, natural look, this is a great choice. What people say. This moisturizer is incredibly hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love how lightweight this formula is. It absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. The pump dispenser is very convenient and dispenses the perfect amount of product each time. Number 3. No 7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Night Cream. Discover the power of our multi-action night cream. It's designed to work while you sleep, helping your skin recover and rejuvenate. Formulated with collagen peptides, this cream targets signs of aging. It helps to firm and smooth your skin for a more youthful appearance. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it delivers intense hydration. Wake up to skin that feels plump, soft, and looks visibly radiant. We've created a fragrance-free formula that's kind to your skin. It provides powerful anti-aging benefits without any irritation. This cream is specifically for your face and neck, areas that show signs of aging. Use it nightly to restore and renew your complexion. Experience a transformation as it works through the night. You'll notice firmer, smoother, and more hydrated skin with consistent use. What we like. This multi-action night cream targets signs of aging with collagen peptides and hyaluronic acid. It's specifically designed for nighttime use to hydrate and firm the face and neck. If you're looking for an anti-aging solution that works while you sleep and prefer a fragrance-free formula, this is an excellent option. What people say. This moisturizer is incredibly hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love how lightweight this formula is. It absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. The pump dispenser is very convenient and dispenses the perfect amount of product each time. Number 2. Nose 7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Night Cream. Introducing the Nose 7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Night Cream. This powerful formula works overnight to revitalize your face and neck. Infused with collagen peptides, it targets signs of aging for a smoother, firmer appearance. Experience the difference as it combats crepey skin. Hyaluronic acid and ceramides deeply moisturize, replenishing your skin's natural barrier. You'll wake up to a more supple and radiant complexion. Let this luxurious cream do the work while you sleep. It's designed to enhance your skin's natural repair process overnight. See a noticeable improvement in skin texture and elasticity. It's the perfect addition to your anti-aging skincare routine. Specifically formulated for both your face and neck, this cream provides comprehensive care. Enjoy smoother, younger-looking skin all over. What we like. This nighttime moisturizer focuses on repairing crepey skin with collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides. It provides intense hydration and works to firm and smooth the skin overnight. If you are concerned about crepey texture on your face and neck and want a product that deeply nourishes and rejuvenates, consider this. What people say. This product is amazing, it leaves my skin feeling so soft and hydrated. I love how lightweight this moisturizer is. It absorbs quickly and doesn't feel greasy at all. My skin has never looked better since I started using this. It's helped reduce redness and improve my overall complexion. Number 1. EltaMD UV Restore SPF 40. Is your skin showing signs of sun damage? EltaMD UV Restore is here to help. It's specially formulated to address the effects of sun exposure. This mineral sunscreen offers powerful SPF 40 protection. Its zinc oxide formula works to repair and rejuvenate your skin. Fight the signs of aging with this advanced sunscreen. It not only protects but also works to restore a more youthful appearance. Designed for sensitive skin, this formula is gentle but highly effective. It provides broad-spectrum protection without irritation. Rediscover your skin's natural radiance. With consistent use, you'll see a visible improvement in texture and tone. Make it a part of your daily routine for optimal skin health. Protect your face from further sun damage and support repair. What we like. This mineral sunscreen offers SPF 40 protection and is formulated to repair sun-damaged skin. Its zinc oxide formula provides broad-spectrum defense while actively working to improve skin's appearance. If you have sun-damaged skin and are looking for daily protection with anti-aging benefits, this is a highly recommended choice. What people say. This moisturizer is incredibly hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth all day long. I love how lightweight this formula is. It absorbs quickly without any greasy residue. The pump dispenser is very convenient and dispenses the perfect amount of product each time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.